if you have been watching our journey and if you've been wondering if you can do this too, yes, you can achieve the same too. Because I know what it's like to, to juggle work, family responsibility, especially for working parents. And I used to feel the same way too. I am unsure if I could still, add some more on my plate because we're doing a lot of things, right? But you know what? This business isn't about adding more to your plate. It's actually about giving you the freedom to live life on your own terms. And I've seen so many parents, just like you, the people watching, just like us, Coach Anu, that actually took that leap of faith. And they, most of these people, these parents, they don't have experience. They didn't have the tech skills, we're not tech savvy, and they were scared too. But of course, with the right support, our fully automated system, the training and development